This is going into Windstone, and this water level has come up tremendously. This is Saturday, July 23rd. We're looking at Clawson's over there, and this is the buffalo field. You see how that's underwater, but what's amazing is the water here is really flowing. I have to suspect that there's a dike or something that broke to see that kind of water flow. Yeah, you got to see that water just pouring over there. I heard there's people out jet skiing in this field. Yeah, warning, dangerous animals do not enter, no hunting. No kidding. That looks like a water boil there to me. Right there, or unless there's somebody's pumping. This is, yeah, regular white water. We're down by Wynstone along the highway. Just looking at the buffalo ranch. Yeah, and concern here, probably can't see it from here, but that water is flowing down over the road right there at a tremendous rate. We're looking at Wynstone's water tower there. Yeah, looking at Clawson's. They're underwater. Something happened here. It's like a dike broke or something. Now this is the bike path into Adams Nature Preserve in the lower level. And the flooding is even higher than it was before. This is July 23rd on a Saturday. Just over at Windstone, and I see it looked like a dike broke or something. The water level came up, and you can see that the water level here has come up substantially. This is Mud Lake. The water is coming from Windstone now, and it looked like the water was about a foot higher than where it was flowing to, so this could even get higher than it is now. Those trees are as good as dead. We'll come back here next year and can make a comparison, but I believe all these trees that we're looking at right now will be dead, floating away. You know, I thought that this water is communicating with the river. If you look way down that way, that's towards the river. This is the path from Adams Nature Preserve. And this is more of the lake. See how those trees are dying there because of the water level? This is increased in water level substantially since I was here a couple weeks ago. It's hard to describe exactly where this is. If you're familiar with Adams, this is where you go into that forested area on the river loop. You know, the water, if you can see it, is relatively clear. A lot of frogs here. Yep. Boy. Mosquitoes, bugs everywhere. It's going to be a mess to clean up. You can see the hose is full. That's the tractor, the PTO, pumping the water through the hose, up the pipe, down through the old pipe, and all the way to the river. And away it goes.